how to delete a language in Duolingo. Now you can't per se delete a language Duolingo. What you can do is you can manage your courses. So I'll show you what I mean by that. First, open up your Duolingo, and if you click on the top left, you can see all your courses. I have my Spanish course and my Japanese course. Now, to manage your courses, first tap on that again and click on courses. Now there you can see a lot of courses and languages that you can take from Duolingo. Is you need to go to the settings. So for that, go to your profile and then go to your settings. After you open up your settings, there you will see an courses option. Click on that, and there you will be able to manage your courses again. So let's say I want to delete the Spanish course. Just tap on that minus sign and then tap on remove, and your Spanish course will be removed. So that is how you delete a language or course in Duolingo. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Bye bye.